there were 3 tests, 2 written tests and one was the interview. Around 30 people appeared for the written test. In the written test there were 2 rounds. One was the aptitude and the second was the technical one. And in the aptitude there was general aptitude questions, quantitative analysis and vocabulary questions. And there were about 30 to 40 minutes given for the aptitude test. And then there was the technical one. It was also around 30 to 40 minutes test. And the questions were basic chemical engineering questions based on fluid mechanics, basically Bernoulli's equation. Even questions were there from heat transfer on the heat exchanger there were. And around 20 people who cleared the written test and they appeared for the interview. And in the interview panel there were 3 people. One was HR, one was the chemical engineer and one was the department head. After clearing the written test, I appeared for the interview. They took my CV and they saw it, and then they started questioning about myself. I introduced myself and then I told them about my schooling, my domicile, my parents, and about my internship also. They asked about that. So I told them about my internship, where I did my training and all in second and third year. And then they even asked me about my siblings, how many sisters or brothers I have. So I told them that I have one sister. After scrutinizing my CV, they saw that I organized an event in the cultural fest of my college, that is BISHLAB, and the event I organized was the split personality. So they asked me what was there in the event. So I explained that basically it was an acting event. A person has to act of 2 personalities simultaneously. So they didn't understand it very well. So I gave them an example, like you have to act like Rajesh Khanna and Dharmendra at the same time. So they asked me that which actor do you like. So I said that if you go for emotional roles, so it's Rajesh Khanna will be the better choice. In this way they asked me about, in this way I explained them what was actually the event was. Then they switched to the technical part and the chemical engineer one. They first asked me from the mass transfer section. Then he asked me that if you have 2 fluids and the boiling points of the 2 fluids is nearly same, equal, it's very near. So how will you separate the 2 liquids? So I asked them that we can't go for normal distillation as the boiling points is quite very near to each other. So we go either for extractive distillation or we go for azeotropic distillation. And then they switch to heat transfer section, and then they ask question about heat exchanger, like which heat will transfer between the 2 fluids. The one fluid we take in the tube side and one in the shell side. So which heat will be transferred? So I answered it will be the sensible heat which will be transferred between the 2 fluids. And in my training actually my project was on the thermal design of heat exchanger. So they asked me the steps, that how will you design a heat exchanger. So I explained them the steps of designing of the heat exchanger. After all the queries, they asked me that if I have any question from them. So I asked them that they prefer girls for their company, because before Reliance, many companies like BOC and Bharat Petroleum, they came, so they don't prefer girls for the field job because if they consider it's not suitable for the girls. So that's why I asked this question. So they told me, if the girl is intelligent and capable of doing the work, we'll surely give them the job, and even they'll give the girl the night shifts to work in them. Because if she is capable of doing the work, she has to do it, and they give them. They prefer girls. It's no problem. After appearing in the written test of the Reliance Industries, I feel that your concepts, clarity of chemical engineering should be very good, because they ask basic chemical engineering questions. So they expect from you basically fluid mechanics, heat transfer and mass transfer. These subjects, they should be on your tips, because the questions, it seems to me like that you should know about them really. And second thing, that if they are preferring girls for their company, so you should be tough enough to show your confidence that yes, you are capable of doing the work. And third thing, that they really expect from you that you will show your dedication towards the work and towards their company. So you have to do a lot of hard work for them. So you should be prepared for it.